images we're seeing from Roseburg are too familiar for us here in San Diego.
10 News' Craig Herrera was reminded of that today when we heard from a man who lost 2 of his friends in the San Ysidro McDonald massacre.
July 18th, 1984. At the time, police called it the worst one-day massacre in the history of the U.S. 40 people were shot and 21 more were killed. Saul Solano Jr. was 11 years old at the time. 2 of his best friends and playmates, who were also 11 years old, were killed. Today, he shared his feelings on the 10 News Facebook page. He gave us permission to share his thoughts, including, "Time does not heal all wounds. Sure, they will eventually move on and continue with their lives, but never will yesterday's events leave their hearts." Still in San Diegans' hearts, March 5th, 2001. 13 teens were wounded and 2 killed at Santana High School in Santee.
Complete chaos. Everyone scrambled. It was amazing to see how everyone just bolted towards anything they could get to hide and cover.
And on March 22nd of that same year,
if he could do it, I think pretty much I know another half dozen people I could do it twice as easily.
It happened again at Granite Hills High School in El Cajon. 3 students and 2 teachers were shot and wounded by pellets. Craig Herrera, 10 News.